In the world of undercarriage repair, WTC Machinery stands unmatched as the global leader in service equipment. We deliver state-of-the-art tools directly to your job site, ensuring you stay on track and keep moving. Proudly designed and built in Ixonia, Wisconsin, we have been innovating undercarriage service tools since 1950. With every press we make, we continuously improve our designs for better safety, efficiency, and durability. Introducing our complete line of portable pin presses, powerful portable solutions that make maintenance easier than ever. Whether you're in agriculture, forestry, construction, or mining, WTC Machinery's presses are engineered to perform and built to last. From small excavators to the largest machines on the job, we have the right tool for the task. For smaller jobs, the FP100 is a compact, user-friendly tool designed to make smaller jobs easier and is perfect for track pins ranging from 0.76 inches to 2.56 inches. Need something more versatile? The MPP 150 and FP 150 presses handle pins from 0.87 inches to 2.75 inches with ease. When you're facing tough tasks, the MPP 250 and FP 250 are built to deliver an impressive 250 tons of force, capable of handling pins up to 3 inches in diameter. Plus, for those extra demanding jobs, we offer custom presses with capacities of up to 350 tons and even 550 tons for the most extreme applications. Whatever the job, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to downtime with WTC Machinery's portable pin presses, engineered to make heavy equipment maintenance simpler, faster, and more efficient. With easy transport and quick setup, our presses are designed for seamless use in both the field and the shop. Whether you're in remote locations or bustling construction sites, they deliver the power you need whenever and wherever you need it. Your safety is our priority. From intuitive controls to rugged designs, every detail is crafted with your protection in mind. Don't let maintenance slow you down. Work smarter and safer with WTC Machinery. Discover the power, durability, and convenience of our portable pin presses. Visit WTCmachinery.com and find the perfect solution for your business today.